Okay, I promise I don't always look this crazy in all of my intros, okay? Hello, if you've never seen me before, hi, my name is Youkeyy, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, yeah. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing something a little bit different. You know, I wasn't feeling all that enthusiastic today, so I just decided to turn on the camera and put some color on my face. So that's exactly what I'm gonna be doing. I might not even switch into a wig. Like, that's the kind of vibe we're going for. I've had this video idea for a while where I attempt to follow an Instagram pictorial. If you don't know what a pictorial is, it's basically a makeup tutorial but with pictures. I decided I would follow this tutorial here by an artist called PP Face Charts on Instagram, and they are so incredibly talented. I'll put the picture up on the screen so you guys can see, but to the eyeliner, it's actually like different colors, like a gradient going on. I'm actually gonna switch that to the waterline. That's kind of, yeah, I think I'm gonna do that just to have my own little spin on it or what have you. So yeah, I've already put my foundation on, brows are cleaned up for the most part, and I have on my eye base, which I need to address, as you can see. In case you are wondering, this is the P. Louise base that I have on my eyes. This is shade 4. If I would have known they were not as dark as what you see on the site, I would have actually went for shade 5, but that's okay. I'm gonna be using this Ace Beauty, but it's actually Beauty, Ace Beauty Slice of Paradise palette. I'm gonna be using this one right here called Passion Fruit, this one here called Rose Finch. For the purple, I'm actually gonna pull out the Morphe 35B. I know, like, Youkeyy, that palette is so discontinued, but like, it's still lit. Dipping into the purple from the 35B palette. Then I'm gonna go into Rose Finch right here. Ooh, talk about pigmented. Ugh, I'm already starting to feel better. It's crazy what like makeup can do. Then I'm gonna use Passion Fruit. And then just go back in with each color and make sure I have a good blend. Starling, which is this, like, I don't really know if I should call that a lilac, but it's more of a lilac-y pink purple. I'm gonna actually be mixing this with the purple from the Morphe 35B, just so I have a bit of a lighter shade of purple. With my Sigma Small Tapered Blending E45, I'm just gonna blend out the edges of each color. I don't know why the pink is missing right in the middle. Like, what the heck is that about? Okay, this next step is making me very frustrated. I don't know what's happening, but things are just looking very muddy. I'm using Honeyberry, which is this purple here. It's just a shade darker than the purple from the Morphe palette. Like, I'm just getting a line and not much of a blend for whatever reason. I don't know what it is about purples that makes them sometimes like so difficult to work with. I really was going for that rich, deep purple that you see in the actual photo. Oh, this just looks a mess. I guess it's because the purple has nothing to stick to. Add more of the black. And because I'm adding the black, it's just making it look muddy. Like, I don't know what else to do at this point. Like, I'm really about to wipe this off and turn off the camera and just go bawl my eyes out. You guys know I usually don't like to give up, but this is really pissing me off. I'm gonna try to save this. Let's go ahead and cut the crease. Now it just looks like I have a line. Like, we have more purple peeking through on one eye than the other. Love this for myself. I'm renaming this video to Youkeyy getting mad at an eyeshadow look for 5 minutes straight, or however long it's gonna be, because I can't. So after eyeshadow, next step is to add like a dark green. Actually, it looks like there might be blue in there. So I might as well just go ahead and use the green from the blue from this palette called Macaw. Place that right next to the purple. So it looks like we're gonna leave a little bit of like a sliver of space up at the top. With the other side of my brush, I'm picking up this green called Kiwi. I'm gonna pick up this deeper green from the 35B palette. See if I can use that to deepen it up a bit. A little bit. Okay, so I'm trying this white shade from the Morphe 35B palette. So on the picture, it looks like a neon matte was applied and then like a neon glitter on top of that. I don't have a neon matte. Okay, let me try this. I'm gonna try this lime green from the Morphe 35B palette. See if I can use that to cheat a little bit. Not really. I'm gonna use my Suva Beauty Tropic eyeshadow. This is a shimmer and it's more of like a yellow than it is a neon, but I'm gonna still use it. Oh my gosh, Tropic is not even sticking like that. After some self-deliberation, I went ahead and did the rest of my face. And I used that purple from the Morphe 35B palette and just packed that onto the lower lash line. I decided against applying the waterline stuff because I'm irritated. That's really what it comes down to. Dipping into that purple, and I'm gonna go around the perimeter of the cut crease just to see if I can deepen it up a little bit and give some more depth because it's really missing. And at this point, I'm just doing like my own little hacks to make this look better. I'm actually using this and this. I'm just kind of drawing on the outside and fanning it up a bit. That way it looks a little bit more like we did something. Oh my God, look at what I just did. Girl. Oh my God, I just made it worse. Look. How am I supposed to fix that? You know what? Here's what I'm about to do. I'm gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. And I'm gonna apply that right there. For the inner corner, I'm gonna use the shade Diamond Dust from the Becca Volcano Goddess collection. Okay, I thought it would be white, but it's not. So, well, let me not say white. In the pan, it looks white with like, oh no, it's duochrome. It's like goldish reflex. So I'm just gonna use my Fenty Universal Lip Luminizer Gloss Bomb. So we're finally done. You guys know the perfectionist in me is basically cringing right now. And of course, my lash is coming off. This is just great. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't, that's your business. All right, guys, this is my finished attempt at this Instagram pictorial. But yeah, I think I did okay considering, you know, all that was happening and all the frustration I was encountering. But you guys can let me know what you think down below in the comment section. If you'd like to subscribe, you can go ahead and do so down below. Be sure to also hit that bell and make sure all notifications is ticked off so you don't miss any of my video uploads. You can also follow me on Instagram, by the way. I'm at Youkeyy_. That's YOUKEYY_. Thank you guys for hanging out with me once again, and I hope to see you in the next video. Lord willing, stay blessed. Bye.